Staying with this story, the state has told the High Court in Pretoria that the Stilfontein miners are not trapped but evading arrest. The urgent sitting has postponed the urgent case, which is between the Society for the Protection of Our Constitution and the state. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala reports.
There was a brief sitting at the Pretoria High Court on Monday. The court was listening to the matter brought by the Society for the Protection of Our Constitution, arguing that the suspected illegal miners in the northwest and the disused Stilfontein mine are trapped and that the state has not helped them emerge. 4 government departments, namely COCTA, the SAPS, the Health Department and Mineral Resource, are named as respondents.
The department has went further to engage the mine rescue services to ensure that even at Stilfontein mine shaft, those who are alleged to say they are trapped in there, they can be able to be pulled out via a cage. But the bottom line is those who want to get out, this is a minecraft, there's a Margaret mine shaft which is nearby, and majority of more than 500 of them have been able to get out. Those who don't want to get out is simply because they are avoiding arrest.
However, the state's affidavits couldn't continue in court as both the judge and the applicants needs to read their affidavit.
I will stand this matter down Thursday morning at 10.
The applicant will now file their answering affidavits, but they argue that the state is using delaying tactics, whilst the matter on the ground is a matter of life and death.
So this was a way of orchestrating a postponement of this matter in a situation where we've told the court this is really a matter of life and death, as we've already seen and heard that there are people dying underground.
They argue movements are controlled.
We must also be alive to the fact as to what government told us prior to all of these court applications starting. They said, these are criminals underground, we will not give them assistance. So to come down, make an about turn now and say, but we are giving them food, this is not what was the attitude of government. And they must take responsibility for what they've said and what they've done.
The police, on the other hand, argue they have implemented the conditions of the urgent order by the Gauteng High Court. However, they won't send their military or SAPS into the mine.
We have consulted at length with the mine owners and the DMRE, who indicated that, there are hazardous gases down there. The ground may be unstable, given the fact that according to DMRE, this particular shaft was rehabilitated, it was closed. It was these particular illegal miners who forced it open with explosives. And we are still of the view that what is happening underground is pure criminality, it's illegal. And anyone who resurfaces, like we have indicated, will be assessed by medical personnel, will be those that are in good health, will be immediately processed, detained.
The police say they will respect whatever decision is taken by the court. However, they did throw their weight behind Operation Valumgodi, saying they continue with operations in 7 provinces affected by illegal mining and to prevent and combat illegal mining activities, going as far as saying more than 15,000 illegal miners have been arrested through national operations. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in Pretoria.